Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from Shoe Doctor, Sherman Oaks Fashion Square, for Expert Village. Just make sure you put the polish all over. After, this is buffing machine with high speed. It's very easy and fast to polish it. This is hard wax. It's polished ages. It's special for age and heels. It's very hard. It's not come out from water or anything. It stays a longer time. It's lasts longer than regular dye, and it gives a brilliant shine. After you check one more time, there is no polish left. If you see something, you just buff it one more time all over. This one is totally ready. Now we have new heels and polish, and it's ready.